Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install extension in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you already have Visual Studio Code downloaded and have the app open up. What you want to do is you want to hover this, go to this area, the icon called extension, and let's say you can search for any extension in the marketplace. Let's say I want to install this debugger for Java. Oh, I already have this. Let's say I want to install dev container. I'm gonna click on any of the extension that I want to and then click on install. This process usually takes a few seconds depending on the extension, but once you install, you will be able to use the extension right away, but some extension may require you to relaunch Visual Studio to take effect. But that is how you can install the extension. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.